Extra Social Security SSI checks. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Social Security SSI checks that have been added as a new feature recently in 2024. Among this, there's a lot of other features for the SSI amounts that have also been added, like automatic determinations, cost of living adjustments, SSI annual reports, and SSI payment standards, which have been changed. Okay, so we're going to be talking about it all in great depth and detail today. So, obviously, for talking about it, we're going to come over to the Social Security area. Okay, and Social Security basically has this very discreet website that you can actually see the benefits of. So the benefits are usually in two ways, okay? It's either by phase or it could be by, okay? That's how the two phases actually work. So by phase, it is prepare, apply, and manage benefits, okay? So you can either prepare for the phases that are to come with the Social Security benefits. You can apply directly or manage the current benefits you have for your Social Security. And obviously then there's by type, which is retirement, disability, survivor, family, and SSI, which is the supplemental security income. And that is mainly what this video is about. Okay, you can, finally get to know about the new features of the supplemental security income and how their securities work around. Okay, so basically, to get an idea about this, first of all, what we are going to be doing is we're going to go over to benefits by phase, and we're going to go over to prepare. So here it says prepare for Social Security benefits, learn and plan before you apply for Social Security benefits. So the eligibility is to answer a few questions to see if you're eligible for Social Security benefits right now. You get a benefit estimate, and you can actually see the various benefits based on your earnings when you apply. And then you have plans for retirement, where you can estimate your benefit amount, determine when to apply, and explore other factors. And finally, keep a record of your earnings, where you can check the record of your yearly income and make sure that it is fully up to date. Okay. Now, moving on, we have the apply area where we can actually apply for the Social Security benefits, including the SSI if we want to. So, who do you want to apply for? You can either go for the above 18 or the under 18. So what do you want to apply for? You could go for retirement, where you worked and paid Social Security taxes, family, where your current or ex-spouse worked and paid Social Security taxes, disability, where you have a condition and expect it to affect your ability to work for a year or more, or will result in death. Then we have survivor, where your spouse or ex-spouse worked and paid Social Security taxes before they died. Okay, so that basically revolves all around the benefits. Okay, that is how benefits work. But we are here for SSI, which is the supplemental security income. So for SSI, you can see that supplemental security income for disability is when you're blind or have a disability. It's hard to pay for essentials like food, clothing, and a home. So that is where SSI for disability comes in. And if you're 65 or older and it's hard to pay for essentials like food, clothing, and a home, then SSI for 865 plus. Okay, so if you're having issues in paying your essentials and keeping your security at the same time, then obviously SSI for you. So definitely go ahead and check it out, see how it works. You can also go ahead and manage your Social Security benefits in whatever way you want. So you can either get a benefit letter, switch to different benefits. You can also check out the payment plans that they have for those. But now let's go ahead and directly talk about okay? So what is SSI? How does one, apply to it? And how is it extra Social Security? Okay? So basically, first of all, SSI provides monthly payments to people with disabilities and older adults who have little or no income or resources. Okay, so that is basically what SSI constitutes itself as. Now, if we scroll down over here, who can basically get SSI? So, adults and children might be eligible for SSI if they have little or no income and little or no resources, and a disability, blindness, or are age 65 or older. And how much you could get your monthly payment depends on your income, living situation, things you own, and other factors. Now, report changes to your income, resources, and living situation includes where each month you must report your wages, other income, and changes to your resources or living arrangements. And obviously, if you want to apply, you can come right over here, apply for SSI, and simply go ahead, add in your age, and just go ahead and fill out the whole form that they give you. And individually, you can also go ahead to their questionnaires on like who can get SSI. And we have adults and children's that might be eligible for SSI if they have little or no income. Now, if you have little or no income like wages and social security benefits, SSI is generally for individuals who don't earn more than 1,971 from work each month. The income limit increases for couples and when parents apply for children. So the income limits can be changed over here. So choose an option. Let's go with an adult. Enter pre-tax monthly work earnings. So you can pretty much go ahead and write any value, like let's say your income is 488, and enter monthly income from non-work sources like employment or benefits. So for that also I'm gonna add $100. Let's go ahead and see the results. Now it says based on these numbers you do meet the income requirements for SSI. An individual will meet the limit if they earn less than 1971 per month and get less than 963 per month from non-work sources. Okay, so pretty incredible and pretty fun stuff to pretty much get your head around. And to actually associate yourself with SSI and Social Security, it's a good thing to be having when you're in this work zone. Okay, so mainly that's the extra Social Security that has usually been being applied by the people at SSA. Okay, and obviously, there are new features like the SSI or the supplemental security income. That's, one of the main things that are in nowadays. And obviously, if you want to make the extra amounts of income, then SSI is going to be for you. But yeah, that is pretty much all there is for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the foreseeable future, do let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is going to be all from me and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great and amazing day. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.